Hello, my name is Mr. Allen, and I'm the middle school band director here at Concordia International School, Shanghai. Welcome to my flipped classroom. Today, I'm going to discuss with you about how to produce a buzzing sound with your lips for beginning brass instrument players. First thing all wind instrument players need to remember is how to take that fundamentally important relaxing full deep breath. So right now I'm standing up. My shoulders are going to be relaxed, no tension in my neck, and I'm going to breathe from here. So I'm going to take a big, fat, full breath, as they say. You should feel yourself getting fatter when you breathe. Once that fundamental has been established, let's talk about how we're going to create a lip buzz or a buzzing effect with our lips. First of all, we want to think about the letter M. I even sing it sometimes to have students form the embouchure, or what we call the embouchure face for brass. I'll say M. And I should feel very comfortable here. No tension, no stress, no biting teeth. In fact, the teeth should be about this far apart. If you put the lead part of the mouthpiece inside your mouth, you should feel that the teeth should be about that far apart. Sometimes I use a pencil. Sometimes you can use your pinky. But it should be comfortable and relaxed. So I'm going to think M. Then I'm going to breathe deeply. And as I push the air through my lips very comfortably, you'll feel them begin to flutter and create the sound on their own. For example, M. Makes your ears kind of tickle at first if you're doing this for the very first time. Now, what if you don't get a lip buzz right away? Let's review starting with a deep breath. If you don't get it, keep moving the air. That's important fundamental number one. So think the M. Some teachers like to use the term blowing a raspberry, where the lips are very loose and relaxed, much like if you're on a larger mouthpiece, such as, say, a bass tuba mouthpiece, for example. If you blow a raspberry, then you just firm up that smile or firm up that embouchure setting from there. So this is what blowing a raspberry might look like if you start this way, and then bring it more into a full lip buzz. Moistening the lips also helps. I call this, some people call this free buzzing, where you do this in front of a mirror to do some self-checks. I highly recommend all beginners and all students spend some of their time practicing in front of a mirror as a self-check for these performance fundamentals. Now, once we have that established, the mouthpiece placement is the next part. Once I've set my embouchure face, M, the mouthpiece will go in the center of the lips if you're playing trumpet, trombone, euphonium, baritone, or bass tuba. And again, I'll breathe through the corners of my mouth, and then as I blow that buzzing sound of the mouthpiece, we create this effect. No excess movement in the body whatsoever, pushing from down here where the air goes. And once you're able to do that, then you've got a full sound on your mouthpiece. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.